This method can help answer key questions. For example, how do oysters respond behaviorally to Diel-cycling hypoxia and cyclical pH? How do they respond when Diel-cycling hypoxia happens? Do they close up? And after normoxia is restored, do they open back up? How do they respond?
The main advantage of this technique is that it measures the opening and the closing of the oysters in a very precise manner, and is also a very affordable technique.
Though this method can provide insight into the valve gape behavior of oysters in response to Diel-cycling hypoxia, it can also be used for other species, and it can be used to measure, for example, the adverse behavior of bivalves to contaminant or toxic algae.
Plan to prepare 12 sensors, one for each channel on the Wheatstone Bridge. First, construct valve gape sensor cables. Twist two 32-gauge Teflon-coated wires of specific colors. Cut a length of twice the length of the desired gape sensor cable. Make it twice the length from the aquarium to the SGM plus a little extra. On one end, secure the wires to a power drill. 2 people must hold either end of the wire, which make the cable. Now, the holders twist the cable using the drill on while keeping the cable under tension. Next, cut the cable on the other end so there are 4 leads, 2 on each end. Then, strip 2 centimeters of insulation